Hello everyone. So today I want to do a review and demo and actually a few different looks with the Model's Own Blaze palette. This is the unicarton. This is what it looks like. I really like the packaging. And then this is what the actual packaging looks like, the actual product. I've already got this one dirty. But this is what it looks like, and the shade names are on the back of it. In one of mine, or I actually got this in store, but I didn't check the palette, and one of the shades is completely shattered in it, so it's quite dirty. Just overlook that. And it is a magnetic closure. I really do appreciate that. I think the packaging is so good for the price point, because this is a drugstore palette. So I really like the packaging. I'm gonna try to show you this as best I can here. These are the shades, like they are my kind of shades. I love these super warm shades. The yellows and the oranges and the corally reds, and like red tone browns. Those are my kind of shades. I absolutely love them. So I really like the color scheme of this palette. I love the magnetic packaging. I am gonna have to exchange this one because my one shade was clearly broken, but I still made it work today. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I did this eye off camera, and we are going to do this eye. And we are going to start out with the Morphe E23. And I have to be so careful with this, where this guy is shattered. You can see my camera there. I love this big mirror though, but I'm gonna go in with the yellow shade right there. And that is called Ray. We're gonna put that into the crease, or upper crease. I just want this look to be a very wearable, everyday kind of look. Don't worry, we're gonna do some dramatic looks. These shadows blend out super easily. I really like them. They're not super powdery. All right, and then we're going to go in with Blaze, which is the orange color. And this is an Ipsy L34. And we are going to put that right in the crease. Just blending it back and forth in circular motions. Nothing too hard there. And then I'm going to take this Morphe natural hair brush and go in with that same color to just deepen it up a bit. And I'm going to clean off my brush and go in with that yellow just to intensify it a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in with a different Morphe natural hair brush. These all came in a set. And I'm going to go in with Scorched. It is this shade right here. Tapping some on my brush, and then we're just putting this right on the outer corner and just barely blending it up. Just super easy, wearable, everyday look. And then I'm going to go in with Glow right here, and I'm going to use my finger for that one. And put this right on the lid. The lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the Scorch shade. And just a very little bit tucked right into that lower lash line. Then I'm gonna go on with some mascara. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big. I'm not gonna put falsies on with this look. Just a little bit of mascara. I really do love this mascara though. It is definitely one of my top 3. We're gonna go in with ABH Soft Matte Lipstick in Spice. And here is the finished look. Just something super easy. Took me just a couple of minutes. Everyday look. I'm gonna go wash this off and then we will do our second look. Let me zoom you in a bit. Okay, look number 2 I've already done on this eye, and we're gonna start on this eye. So again, with my Morphe E23, I'm going to dip into Blaze, the orange shade right here. We're just going to lightly put this into our upper crease area, just building it up a little bit. Into Scorched, which is this shade right here. And we are going to put that in the crease and blend it out. All right, same brush. No, a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm going to go into Heat, which is, oh crap, I just spilled that everywhere. This shade right here. And we're gonna put that a little bit lower in the crease and also in our outer corner. And bring it out. I'm going to go in with the deepest shade, the one that is broken. I'm going to tap in there and really tap it off. And then we're going to put that right on the outer corner. Blend it outward. Then I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade right here, which is called Suede. And I'm going to get some on my brush and then wet my brush with a little bit of setting spray. And then we are going to put this on our lid. This shade actually is a lot prettier than I anticipated. I'm going to go into the crease a little bit just to make it look like I have a bigger crease than I do. Alright, then we're going to go back in with Scorched, that red-brown shade right there. And we're just going to blend these shades together. We're going to go in with the lightest shimmer shade and highlight the inner corner. And then with the same brushes that I was using there, I'm just going to drag that on the lower lash line. I'm going to go throw on some mascara and I'll be right back. And here is look number 2. Again, super easy. I would wear this every day. I could throw on a pair of falsies or a wing and make it much more dramatic. But I'm gonna go wash this off and then we are going to do the final look. Okay, and now we're gonna do our final look and we're gonna start on this side. I'm gonna take my Sigma E40 and go into Blaze and just lightly put some of that on there in my upper crease area. And now the shade I was most excited about was Flare. So that is going to be our focus on this look. So we are going into Flare, which is this shade right here. I'm so sorry guys, I know that sucks. And we're gonna put that into the upper crease area and just keep building it up and blending it out. Just back and forth, and circular motions. Just getting it all blended. In with Scorched and mix it in with Heat. We're gonna put these a little bit lower. Same motions, just back and forth, and then circular. Little bit on the outer corner there. Same shades. Okay, now we are going to go in with Ray, the yellow color, and we're going to put this all on our lid. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M433. I'm going to go in with that brown shade. And just kind of mix our colors together. Then I'm going to take an itty bitty brush. This came out of an Urban Decay palette. And I'm going to take the darkest shade, which is Tar. And that's the broken shade in my palette. And I'm going to put it right on this outer corner. Just to deepen it a bit. Ooh, wow, we have some fallout. Okay, that didn't happen on this side. Actually hasn't happened with any of them. It might be this little brush that I'm using, and it could be where my palette is broken. But we are going to try to sweep this away. It swept away pretty good, but it left a little area right there. All right, I'll try to fix that in a minute. Let's go ahead and finish this eye up. I am taking Glow, and we're just gonna highlight the inner corner here. All right, gonna go back in with Flare, which is our shade that we use so much here. That is our focal point. Put that on the lower lash line. And then we'll go in with our other two colors, Scorched and Heat. Okay, I'm going to go off camera, do some lashes and liner, and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is our finished look. Oh, my eye is watering so bad. I give props to everyone who does more than one look in videos because my eyes hurt from taking off the product and then reapplying and then taking it off. So all the YouTubers who do that, I give you major props. I think that the product is really good. I think the quality is amazing for the price point. This is a drugstore product. The only thing is I don't think it has a whole lot of versatility. I love the shades in here, but I don't think you can do like a whole lot of different looks. But would I recommend it? Yes, I think it is a really good palette. Everything blended out great. I didn't have a ton of fallout. That one shade, but I think that was user error. So I would totally recommend this. I got this at Ulta. Check your palettes before you buy them if you're in store. As you've seen, mine was completely messed up. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this 3-look tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy this style of video, and please subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.